Namaskaram. We welcome you all to our channel Taste of Wellbeing, which is definitely based on the book, as you know, written by Sadhguru. The book goes by the same name, Taste of Wellbeing. So my name is Nihit Mishra, and today I have here with me Shekhar Anna and Annapurna Akka. So we basically felt that in the given circumstances that the entire planet is going through, we wanted to come out with something which would help people to, create both physical as well as psychological well-being for themselves and their near and dear ones, of course. We have seen so many people around us going through so much of stress due to the pandemic. They are confined to their homes. They are seeing people around them suffering in so many ways. So we wanted to, somehow reach out to people to maybe with something which will help them to, as I mentioned, to create well-being within themselves. So based on this idea, we thought that why don't we introduce people to the right proper way to eat, what to eat, what is this human body, this system made for, so that it in turn creates that, it boosts your immune system and at the same time creates that physical and psychological well-being. Moreover, we decided to shoot, in a natural environment. This is not just to make the video look nice, but the main reason for this is to pass on this message that as humans in today's world, we are getting too much confined into, concrete jungles and all. So it is very essential for us to, be out in the nature. As Sadhguru says, we are just a pop-up from this planet. So it is very essential for our body to be in touch with the soil, with the air, with the space around us, and be with nature. So this was the reason why we wanted to start this channel. Now Annapurna Akka and Shekhar Anna will share their experience with Sattvic food and what they think about the right kind of food that we are going to present through this channel.
टेस्ट ऑफ वेलबींग चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं। योग परंपरा के अनुसार भोजन जीवित होता है, उसमें प्राण तत्व मौजूद होता है। भोजन हमारे शरीर और मन को प्रभावित करते हैं। इस चैनल के माध्यम से हमने सद्गुरु के बताए गए सात्विक रेसिपी जैसे जूस, सलाद, करी, अनाज, मिठाइयाँ शामिल करेंगे। इस चैनल के माध्यम से हमारे सभी साधकों और सभी व्यूअर को बताना चाहते हैं कि सात्विक रेसिपी कैसे पकाया जाता है। सात्विक रेसिपी ना सिर्फ सेहतमंद होता है बल्कि स्वादिष्ट भी होता है। आए हम सब मिलके इसका आनंद लें, सुखी और सेहतमंद रहे। धन्यवाद।
Namaskaram. I have introduced these recipes from the book designed by Sadhguru, Taste of Wellbeing, and after using these recipes in my day-to-day life, I have seen a lot of changes. Changes in terms of definitely my health benefits are there with this. Apart from that, even my yoga practices also have improved drastically. So this Sattvic food has changed me not only physically but psychologically also. It has made a lot of difference in my life. And incorporating these in my day-to-day lifestyle, today I feel that this has to be introduced to the world as well. So that's the reason we have come up with this channel, and we are trying to bring out these recipes to all of you.
I welcome you all, and thank you Shekhar Anna and Annapurna Akka for sharing, and we welcome you all to our channel and see you in the further episodes. Thank you. Namaskaram.